Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been away for quite a bit, like I did not post any videos since a while, but I've been quite busy. But now I'm coming back with something cool. So today I'm right in front of the company. It's completely white, you can't see, but soon you're gonna see. Which is called ABP Racing, ABP in German. And I'm here for the dyno test. So I'm here in my van, new van by the way. The Bordeaux is here in the back, ready to get unloaded. I'm gonna go in now and see where I can park exactly, see how to do this. I hope they let me film. And yeah, now it's dyno time. So Bordeaux is running finally. I fixed the electric, fixed everything ready for the tooth. So yeah, now the dyno, and if everything works out, then I take an appointment for the tooth. And yeah, next step is the tooth, and then I hope that it's street legal and I can finally ride it. So let's see. Alright, and we're back at the shop. James is here. Hi James.
Hello.
It's been a while, eh? You're not in focus because you're ugly. Alright, and we're back at the shop. James is here.
Hello.
Hello. Still not in focus. Still ugly. I ruined it twice. The bike was on a dyno now. The guys were pretty cool and let me film it, so it was pretty nice. As you could see, the bike is not running super good. At some point, like at the beginning, he was just shaking his head and I was like, oh my god, he's just gonna send me home and I won't be able to finish that dyno thing. I decided then to take the DB killer out, and actually I had like I gained 6 horsepower just by taking the DB killer out, so it was kind of funny. Now the thing is that the carbs are adjusted way too fat. He showed me a little bit how to adjust them and things like this. Of course, I did not have too much time and the possibility to adjust the carbs properly yet because I have no number plate. I'm not allowed to drive it, so I only drove it a couple of times here up the street, and yeah, that was not enough to figure out if it's good or not. So now I don't care. I got that dyno thing. I'll go to the tooth. As soon as this bike is street legal, if it does happen to be street legal, that would be amazing. Then I'll get to drive it a bit more, then I'll play around with the carbs, and I'll probably go back to the dyno and do one more test and see if it gets way better or not. So yeah, so that's kind of it. I'm gonna make it quite short. If you wanna go check the ABP or ABP Racing website, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You can check them online if you're around there and you need some dyno or whatever, some cylinder head tuning work or stuff like that. Go check them out, they're really awesome. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. See ya!